Hi everyone, welcome to part 4 of my Wild Thing mono build. I'm building a 60 plus miles an hour mono hull, and in this part I'm going to show you the progress which I made. First up, as you can see, I made the hatch mounting system using 2 thumb screws in the back and a latch in the front, which I will show you right now. Okay, so I just took the thumb screws off. Put 2 holes in the hatch where the thumb screws are located, and if you see closely, I put some extra glass weave around the holes to reinforce the hatch. Then when we take off the hatch, you can see in the front a latch, and over here in the front you can see like a gap where the latch is put into. I also added some more foam just to be sure, because I don't want my hull to sink to the bottom of the lake. I also put additional reinforcements over here and also over here, and this reinforcement also doubles as the hatch mounting system. And also I will put here the receiver. I put some foam on the Lipo tray. Lipo tray is now also glued in place, which I will show you in a minute. And the GPS finally will be located here in the front, and I'm thinking to use some rubber band from here to here to mount it. In the back you can see the turn fins. I added them. They are made from 2mm carbon fiber, and I also changed the rudder to a double bracket, left and right, to make it stronger. And I recorded some parts of the processes which I just explained, and I will show you right now how I did it. I'm going to glass the inside of the hatch to reinforce it and also to make it watertight. I already cut the pieces of glass to fit in between the ribs, so let's go. Alright, so basically the hull is now almost ready to run. I just need to paint the hull. It's still quite rough, especially from the bottom. The glass pattern is still visible, and you can also feel the glass pattern, so I have to smooth it out and then put the final paint scheme. I'm not sure yet how I will make the paint scheme or what colors. I have some ideas, but I have to finally decide what it will be. It's quite cold now in the Netherlands, so I don't have the chance to paint the hull right now. So it might take a while for Series 5 to come online, because in the 5th series I hope to show you the painted result, and then soon the maiden run will happen. Alright, so I hope to see you next time. Bye.